In this video, we're going to be comparing the iPhone 14 Pro Max new action mode stabilization against the stabilization in the GoPro Hero 11 and the Insta360 X3. I've got all three of them mounted together like this. First of all, we're just going to start off with a walking test. Now, I'm not going to do gimbal walk where I'm bent at the knees or anything like this. I'm not going to assist any of these cameras in any way. So let's check that out. Okay, next up we're going to do a running test. I'm just going to run behind Luna through this park. Okay, that's it. Which one do you think looked best? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.